So the first thing I would do is I'd walk into a cross-functional meeting or a bunch of cross-functional meetings and look for consistency and harmony.
Okay. But that's
So,
what do you mean?
so that means everybody's working together. So whether you're in a promotional review meeting, you got marketing, you got regulatory, you got medical, are those productive, harmonious meetings where people genuinely respect each other and want to be together and want to really focus on doing a high quality job, or dealing with the R&D organization and sitting in a life cycle meeting? Is medical sitting at that meeting? Are they having an equal seat at the table? Do people feel like they're valued and heard? And it's the same thing with the commercial organization. And then I would look up how much of this is I can't talk to this person or that person because of organizational restrictions or limitations or not. Are you driven by guidelines and rules, or are you driven by principles? So I think I would look at each one of those pockets, and then at the executive team, like the head of R&D and the head of medical and the head of medical affairs and the commercial leader who as well as legal and compliance, they all work together effectively. So you look for tone and productivity of engagement. If you do that, you always have a shot to be successful, because you're actually leveraging then each of the skills of each of the area in a highly effective way. And I think medical ideally plays a critical role in that, because it's sitting in all of those roles unlike any other function.